You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to turn off cellular data for certain apps on your iPhone. Open your Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Cellular or Mobile Data. You will see a list of all the apps on your phone that can use your cellular connection. Look for the specific app you want to restrict, for example, a video streaming service or a social media app. Next to the app's name, you will see a toggle switch. Tap this switch to turn it off. The switch will move to the left and turn from green to white or gray, indicating that cellular data is now disabled for that application. This means the app will only work when you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, saving your mobile data for other uses. You can repeat this process for any other apps you want to manage. To turn cellular data back on for an app, simply return to this menu and tap the toggle switch again to turn it green. This is a great way to control your data usage and prevent specific apps from using your monthly allowance. For more simple smartphone tutorials, subscribe to the channel.